Welcome to AI Mastery Hub, your gateway to the future of artificial intelligence. What if an AI could understand your business objectives, plan complex projects, and execute them across multiple platforms, completely on its own? Today, we're unveiling the most advanced AI agent ever created, one that's completely transforming how businesses operate, how creators work, and how technology serves human potential. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and notification bell now to stay ahead of the AI revolution. We drop videos like this every second day, bringing you game-changing tech before everyone else even knows it exists. For years, AI has been limited to reactive systems that require constant human guidance. Even the most advanced AI tools like ChatGPT and Claude still operate on a simple principle. You input a prompt, they generate a response. But today's breakthrough changes everything. Nexus AI represents a fundamental leap forward, from tools that respond to agents that understand, plan, and act. This isn't science fiction or some research prototype. It's a fully operational system already transforming industries across the globe. So what makes Nexus different? 4 revolutionary capabilities that honestly redefine what AI can do. First, Nexus can seamlessly understand information across text, images, audio, video, and data, not as separate inputs, but as an integrated understanding of the world. Watch as it instantly comprehends the relationships between financial data, marketing images, and technical specifications, extracting insights that would take humans hours to piece together. Second, Nexus can take high-level objectives and transform them into detailed action plans, then execute them without further instruction. With just this single instruction, Nexus creates marketing materials, updates the company website, drafts social media announcements, prepares email campaigns, schedules coordinated releases, and monitors initial performance. 0 additional human input required. Third, Nexus maintains persistent memory of your business, preferences, and past interactions, becoming smarter and more aligned with your needs over time. Unlike traditional AI that starts from scratch with each interaction, Nexus remembers your communication style, specific terminology, and unique requirements, creating a truly personalized agent that grows more valuable every day. 37% performance improvement after 2 weeks. Finally, Nexus can integrate with virtually any digital tool or platform your business uses, creating seamless workflows across previously siloed systems. Watch as it moves effortlessly between your CRM, analytics dashboards, project management software, design tools, and communication platforms, eliminating the constant context switching that destroys productivity. What used to require 4 different specialists and days of coordination now happens automatically in minutes. These aren't theoretical capabilities. Nexus is already revolutionizing how people work across multiple industries. Small business owners are using Nexus as a virtual operations manager that handles customer communications across all channels, manages inventory and ordering automatically, creates financial reports and identifies savings opportunities, and monitors competitors and alerts to market changes. One e-commerce founder reported, "Nexus eliminated 78% of my administrative work. I finally have time to focus on growth strategy instead of daily operations." Content creators are leveraging Nexus as a comprehensive production system that, researches trending topics based on your audience, creates content briefs and outlines matching your style, edits video, and suggests optimal clip sequences, automates distribution across multiple platforms, and analyzes performance while recommending strategy adjustments. A YouTube creator with over 1 million subscribers said, "It's like having an entire production team available 24/7, letting me focus entirely on creative direction." Developers are employing Nexus as an advanced technical co-pilot that, manages code repositories and suggests optimizations, debugs complex issues across multiple systems, creates comprehensive documentation automatically, handles deployment and monitoring tasks, and conducts security audits with recommendations for improvements. One development team completed a 3-month project in just 3 weeks by implementing Nexus, without sacrificing quality or features. Freelancers are using Nexus as a business manager that, basically, handles client communications and follow-ups, creates customized proposals and contracts, manages invoicing and expense tracking, identifies potential clients through targeted research, and optimizes schedules to maximize productive time. A freelance designer doubled her client base while working 15 fewer hours per week after implementing Nexus in her workflow. So, the results are pretty consistent across industries. We're seeing massive productivity improvements, higher quality work across the board, and honestly, people are gaining the freedom to focus on those truly high-value activities. Marketing agency Pinnacle Digital, for example, implemented Nexus across their 27-person team just last month. And the results? Well, client deliverables were completed 68% faster, quality ratings improved by 23%, team working hours dropped by 35%, and their new client capacity actually increased by 40%. So, what makes all this possible now, when it honestly seemed like it was still years away? Nexus is built on this breakthrough architecture called recursive neural reasoning, which fundamentally changes how AI systems tackle really complex tasks. Unlike traditional models that generate responses in just a single pass, Nexus actually breaks problems into logical components, assigns specialized neural systems to each component, coordinates information flow between those systems, verifies outputs against objectives and constraints, and, iteratively improves results until quality thresholds are met. This architecture enables unprecedented reasoning capabilities while maintaining accuracy and coherence across really complex multi-step processes. The system runs on specialized infrastructure that combines advanced tensor processing units, high-capacity persistent memory systems, and end-to-end encryption and security architecture. This, of course, ensures both performance and protection for sensitive business information. Nexus has just emerged from its closed beta and is now available through 3 access tiers. The starter tier provides, one Nexus agent with core capabilities integration with up to 5 common tools, standard memory and learning features, and basic security and privacy protections. Early adopters report saving 15 to 20 hours weekly with just this entry-level access. The professional tier unlocks multiple specialized agents that collaborate integration with up to 20 different platforms, enhanced memory and learning systems, advanced security for sensitive information, and priority processing for time-sensitive tasks. This tier is ideal for established businesses, creators, and professionals who need comprehensive automation. For larger organizations, Nexus offers custom deployment on dedicated infrastructure, training on proprietary company data, advanced security and compliance features, seamless integration with existing systems, and dedicated support and implementation teams. Several Fortune 500 companies have already implemented enterprise systems, reporting 60 to 80% productivity improvements in knowledge work departments. Due to overwhelming demand, Nexus is currently operating with a waitlist system, with new users being onboarded weekly. The team is prioritizing use cases where the technology can create the most significant impact, focusing on specific business problems rather than general curiosity. Beyond the immediate applications, Nexus represents a fundamental shift in our relationship with technology. From tools that require constant direction to intelligent partners that understand objectives and work proactively. This has profound implications for, a lot of things. How we work, for instance. There's a shift happening from execution to strategy and creativity. When it comes to business competition, we're talking about creating unprecedented efficiency advantages. Skill development is also on the table, changing which human capabilities matter most. And of course, there's economic opportunity, democratizing access to enterprise-level capabilities. The individuals and organizations who adapt quickly will gain what can only be described as an unfair advantage in their respective fields. We're witnessing the dawn of a new era in artificial intelligence, one where AI transitions from powerful tools to true collaborators capable of handling complex work autonomously. Nexus represents the leading edge of this transformation, combining breakthrough technologies into a unified system that can understand, plan, execute, and learn across virtually any knowledge domain. For entrepreneurs, creators, developers, and freelancers willing to embrace this technology, the opportunities are extraordinary. The question isn't whether AI agents will transform how we work. It's how quickly you'll adopt these capabilities compared to your competitors. If you found this valuable, hit that like button now and subscribe to AI Mastery Hub. We drop videos like this every second day to keep you at the cutting edge of AI advances, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Drop a comment below telling us how you would use an advanced AI agent like Nexus in your specific workflow. This is AI Mastery Hub, and we'll see you in the next video.